Welcome to the InterConnecta Maintenance and Support Help Center. On this page, you can find the help that you need for your Zoho system, whether if it's by browsing resources from Zoho and us, checking the Zoho app status, and or submitting ticket requests. Now, here's a quick walkthrough to explore what you can do in our Help Center. To access it, go to InterConnecta.com. On the upper right corner, click on Support. A new tab will open and our Help Center will be displayed. You will be greeted by 5 options. Sign in, which is for customers who want to submit a ticket. Sign up, which is for new visitors interested in our services. Zoho Knowledge Base, a collection of how-to articles, user guides, and frequently asked questions about your Zoho apps. Zoho App Status, which gives you a real-time status and availability of all Zoho apps. And Announcements, our blog articles with news, product launches, and new features from Zoho. First, we will show you how you can submit a ticket. Click on Sign In. Fill the blanks under the section titled Already a Member with your Zoho Partner Portal credentials. Then, click on Sign In. You will be redirected to Home. On the upper bar, click on My Area, where you will see any tickets that you may have submitted. On the right side, click on the Add Ticket button. You will be able to submit 3 types of tickets: incident request for bugs and troubleshooting, change request for adjustments to your current Zoho system, and project request for requests involving implementations, integrations, migrations, custom apps, and more. Let's say you want to submit an incident request. Click on Submit a Ticket. Complete the fields on the form. Please note that all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. In the field Zoho Apps Affected, click on None. The drop-down menu allows you to select more than one option by just clicking on each. If you have any screenshots or any other file that can help with the resolution of your ticket, click on Attach a File. When finished, click Submit. To submit a change request, please follow the same procedure. To submit a project request, you must also complete a form, but with additional fields to obtain all the details from your project requirements. Please note that all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. You will be prompted to complete the fields under Personal Information, Project Objectives, System Availability, Infrastructure Requirements, and Data Migration. In additional information, you can add a screenshot or any other file that you think might be helpful. When finished, click Submit. Now, let's go back to the home page and explore some resources by clicking on Home. Click on Zoho Knowledge Base to browse a collection of how-to articles, user guides, and frequently asked questions about your Zoho apps. Click on Zoho App Status to see the real-time status and availability of all Zoho apps. Finally, click on Announcements, and you will be redirected to our insights. There, you can browse our blog articles about news, product launches, and new features from Zoho. And there you have it, our InterConnecta Maintenance and Support Help Center. Everything you need in one place, available 24/7. Please remember that you can access this page by going to InterConnecta.com and clicking on Support on the upper right corner. Need further help? Feel free to contact us. InterConnecta, your global Zoho consulting partner.